Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson. In the previous lesson, we talked about a template string, how you can use it to, interpolate variables in your string, how you can use it as a substitute for the value of your variables when you have string or when you are working with string. So let's take a look at an example in our, editor. So I'll quickly make an HTML document and I can call this as JavaScript string interpolation. So as usual, I'll make an header in order to JavaScript string interpolation example. So I'll refresh my browser. So I like to keep this header so that I can know what I'm working on per time. So I'll go into JavaScript mode and make a script tag. And here I'm going to make two variables. First name, I'll put my name to be, and I'll make another one and call it last name. So now I can easily use document.write to write to the screen, dot write, and then bring up the template string. You can see this is the backtick, which I already showed us how to get in our previous lessons. If you are still confused about how to get it, it is the first um, key pad before one on your keyboard. So there's one keypad that you see on your keyboard before one where the numbers are listed on your keyboard. So it is that last one on that line where you have your numbers, your digits on your keyboard. So I want to output a text like welcome, and then I want to say welcome to Adewale. So using template string, how do I achieve this? Do not forget that anytime you want to, bring a value of variable out in your string, you need curly braces in order to put the value of your variable. So I'm going to do welcome first name and last name. And if you take a look at my browser, you will see that the output is not really coming on. Instead, it is the value or it is the variable name that I'm saying. So the way to solve this problem is by just adding a dollar sign. Since you want to evaluate this and not just write it as a variable name. So once you add that dollar sign to the curly braces, JavaScript understand what this means and it will just interpret the JavaScript will just be able to pass your variable and then give you the correct output. And if you take a look at my browser, you can see that I'm getting the correct output. So this is the value of first name and the value of our last name. So this is how you use a string interpolation in order to substitute for variable value in string in JavaScript. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.